Welcome to Quezon City and Metro Manila, and welcome to Anthro on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. Introduction. Quezon City is named in honor of Manuel L. Quezon, the first president of the Commonwealth and the second official president of the Philippines. Before Spanish colonization, the area that is now Quezon City was inhabited by indigenous peoples. The Tagalog people, who are part of the larger Austronesian ethnic group, were predominant in the region. They had their own languages, cultures, and socio-political structures. Pre-colonial Tagalogs in present-day Quezon City primarily engaged in agriculture, fishing, and trade. Communities engaged in the cultivation of crops such as rice, root crops, and various fruits. Trade networks existed, allowing for the exchange of goods and cultural practices. The social structure of pre-colonial Tagalog societies involved extended families or clans. Leadership roles were often held by respected individuals or elders within the community. Animistic beliefs and the worship of ancestral spirits were integral to the people's spiritual practices. Rituals and ceremonies were conducted to seek protection, good harvests, and communal well-being. The transmission of cultural knowledge, history, and traditions were primarily oral. Elders played a crucial role in passing down stories, myths, and the collective wisdom of the community. The arrival of the Spanish colonizers in the 16th century marked a significant turning point in the history of Quezon City. During this period, the area now occupied by Quezon City was part of a larger territory called Hacienda de San Francisco, which was composed of vast agricultural lands. The land was owned by the friars of the San Francisco del Monte Monastery in Manila. The San Francisco del Monte Monastery was established by the Franciscan friars in 1590. The friars utilized the land for agricultural purposes, cultivating crops and establishing a convent. Towards the end of the 19th century, the character of the area began to change. With the arrival of the Americans in the Philippines following the Spanish-American War in 1898, the country underwent significant political and social transformations. In the early 20th century, President Manuel L. Quezon conceived the idea of establishing a new city to replace Manila as the nation's capital. This vision is believed to have originated during his visit to Mexico. In 1938, President Manuel L. Quezon formalized the decision to create a new city, aiming to surpass Manila as the Philippines' capital. The primary motivation behind this initiative was the congestion in Manila and its vulnerability to naval bombardment due to its proximity to the bay. Recognizing the potential threat of aerial attacks, Quezon persisted in his vision for a new city strategically positioned at least 15 kilometers away from Manila Bay, beyond the range of naval guns. To assist in selecting the Diliman or Tuasan estate as the site for the new city, Quezon sought the expertise of William E. Parsons, an American architect and planner. Unfortunately, Parsons passed away that same year, and his partner, Harry Frost, took on the responsibility. The collaborative efforts then began to plan the future capital of the Philippines, eventually named Quezon City, receiving the final approval from Philippine authorities. Quezon City, often dubbed as the City of the Stars for its media and entertainment industry, served as the former capital of the Philippines.